Oh my God. That's all that's left of my house. A tornado came through yesterday. I was just sitting on the couch with my mother, and the tornado, I look over and she's flying out the window on the couch. She's going, I'll be back. This is my most recent sculpture. It's called the mouth eating a marshmallow.
That's a bunch of bullshit.
What else you got here?
Hey everybody, I'm in Egypt. Yeah, that's one of the Great Pyramids. It's really a lot smaller than it looks in the pictures and stuff.
Well, I've been trying to get water all day. I didn't know the bucket was faulty.
Right on, right on. Oh, for the love of God, can't you put some steps here, for God's sakes? What is going on here? What are these pipes doing here? What is this? This is ridiculous. Where's the bathroom? The bathroom's supposed to be on this side. But how could you be on that side and fall down the steps? That just is rude. Fix that. Oh, no! There's one tiny window there. There was supposed to be a big, huge picture window. I wanted to look out over the weeds and farm industrial buildings and over there. And this is wrong, too. Ridiculous lattice work. It's like a big tic-tac-toe game or something. This is so stupid. Oh, God, and this is the garage. I hope you're going to do something with the floor. I just hate it. It's got this long drop down. What do I look like? One of the flying Walindas? I'm gonna jump down in there? I'm palpitating. I so don't need this kind of stress. Oh my God. It was supposed to be a loft. It's all quadrant up like some kind of cheap IBM accounting office or something. I wanted this all lofty, open. I'm doing a dance studio here. How am I gonna dance in? I can't pirouette or do anything in here. Oh, God. What is this ladder here? Oh, that's not a ladder? Pipes! Pipes everywhere! Everywhere's pipes! So ridiculous. Get it done. I gotta go get my dermatology appointment. I'll be back like in a week, and I hope you're further along. This is ridiculous.